There are TRDs everywhere. Here, here, a little faint one right there, and here, 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 even under here. Oh yeah, there's a lot of TRDs because today we're looking at the Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro, which sits near the top of the 4Runner lineup. Now, last year we had a look at the 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium, which for most people is probably the sweet spot in terms of value and capability, but this TRD Pro is a completely different animal. It's designed for people who want maximum off-road capability straight from the factory without having to do any modifications to the truck afterwards. It's kind of like a turnkey operation here. So today I'm going to walk you through my top 5 reasons why you would choose this TRD Pro. Number 5, exclusive TRD Pro styling. Let's start off with something simple, but it's important. It's the look. TRD Pro models always get unique styling touches that separate them from the rest of the lineup. This one's no different at all. By the way, this color is called Wave Maker, and if you choose this color, get ready to get a lot of comments, whether good or bad. It is bright, and I think it looks really cool. If you want something special, this is even more special when it's this color. We already showed you all the TRD badging on this 4Runner here. We also get 18-inch TRD wheels. Wrapped around there, we get 33-inch all-terrain tires. Big flares on here. On the hood, we actually have a hood scoop. However, I'm not sure how functional it is because on the underside, you have insulation. There's even something special to see under the hood. You can't miss this with the red piping here with the TRD intake. Up front, we have a heritage Toyota grille. As well, we have a TRD light bar as well as rigid fog lamps. And just to let all the rocks and boulders know, you are driving a TRD underneath. Now in the back, you get the signature power roll down window. Absolutely love that Toyota retained this feature. I've used it countless number of times, just actually putting groceries in or whatever, putting my bag in there. It's very, very easy compared to having to open up the entire power hatch. But once you open it here, you see you do get good storage, but it's raised up a little bit because of the hybrid system. You have a battery under there, and that's the reason why the hybrid versions are only available as a 2-row. So it's a 5-passenger vehicle, but still pretty decent room here. And what I like though is you actually have a 2400 watt plug right there. That'll power pretty well almost anything that you could throw at it, especially if you're out and about or in the woods or something like that, or camping. We also get a standard 2-inch receiver and 7-pin wiring harness, and underneath a full-size spare tire. Number 4, and that is the new hybrid powertrain. One of the biggest changes of this new generation is the 4Runner is available with this powertrain. The TRD comes standard with Toyota's iForce Max system, which combines a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine combined with an electric motor. This setup gives you 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That's almost 50 horsepower more than the non-hybrid and 150 pound-feet more of torque, and that's really where it matters, especially when you are off-roading. Now, this hybrid system is different compared to some of the other Toyota hybrid systems that we're used to. What's interesting is where this electric motor sits. It's between the gas engine and the transmission. It means the electric torque goes through the transfer case and low range gearing just like the engine, so you retain the capability of your gear ratios, which is really good for off-roading as well as for towing. This does not use a continuously variable transmission like some other hybrid systems of Toyota. This iForce Max just goes through the regular 8-speed automatic transmission. So that's a big benefit there. Of course, it's not as efficient, but if you want to compare this with the regular non-hybrid, you're getting that extra horsepower, extra torque as well. You're getting way better fuel economy, so it's a win-win-win all around. You also get the incredible low-speed torque, which is exactly what you want when crawling over rocks or climbing steep hills. This electrical system will regen power back to the battery as well. And it takes over when you have, if there's any type of turbo lag, you have that electric torque to actually basically take care of that at the startup anyways. So that's really good. Another thing I like about driving this 4Runner is that you get a nice mixture of new and old. So new, we actually have, we have a digital display for a driver display. We have an upgraded 14-inch screen, really good real estate, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, all of that stuff. But what Toyota didn't take away or add, they didn't add complexity. We actually have knobs for our volume. We can control the temperature by just turning a dial, or even control the fan with a toggle. There's no need to go through any menus to actually adjust the steering wheel or anything like that. We have buttons for everything. So absolutely love that. It actually really does enhance the experience, keeping it simple. Number 3, serious suspension hardware. One of the biggest reasons why people step up to the TRD Pro is the suspension. This comes with FOX's QS3 internal bypass shocks, which are specifically tuned just for this vehicle. These shocks help absorb large bumps and maintain stability when driving off-road, whether you're going slow or doing some kind of desert Baja type of driving. They also feature 3 manual adjustments right on the shock itself on all 4 corners. So basically you can go soft, medium, and hard, and it allows drivers to actually just fine tune exactly for whatever terrain they're going to be driving on. So driving on pavement, tackling rough trails, or once again, doing some Baja racing. That's something you'd normally expect from an aftermarket suspension upgrade, but here it comes straight from the factory, and not only that, it actually looks good. Number 2, and of course, it's the true off-road capability of the 4Runner TRD Pro, because that's what it's all about. It's about going off-road with this 4Runner. The 4Runner already has a strong reputation of being capable, but the TRD takes things further, like things like a locking rear differential. You get multi-terrain select. You get crawl control. Basically, it's like cruise control for off-road. You get those 33-inch all-terrain tires, all that protection underneath with skid plates. There's also the multi-terrain monitor, which uses cameras all around the vehicle, so you can see obstacles on the trail for tight trails or rock crawling. That extra visibility makes a huge difference. And for maximum articulation, you even have a stabilizer bar disconnect to give you the most angle. And the number 1 reason to buy a TRD 4Runner, it's pretty simple. It's basically a fully built off-road vehicle straight from the factory. We mentioned that already, but why is that important? Because a lot of off-road enthusiasts or would-be enthusiasts want to buy a vehicle and want to start using it right away without having to do all the modifications. So this one, you have the suspension done, tires, skid plates, wheels, TRD's taking care of all of those upgrades from day 1. So instead of spending all your time and money, this is going to cost you a lot more money though, we'll get to that in a second, you could just start using it right away. And for some buyers, that convenience is worth the premium. Which comes to my drawbacks. Before you rush out and buy a TRD Pro 4Runner, just consider this. First off, the TRD Pro is not cheap. The base hybrid starts at 68,000 Canadian dollars, and this TRD Pro adds on another 13,500. And for many buyers, the TRD Off-Road Premium that we tested earlier, it offers, similar capability for less money, albeit there's no doubt if you want to take your off-roading to the next level, this is the one to get. Second thing, if you're comparing this to the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, the 4Runner does not get those isodynamic performance seats. Those ones that are gas charged with a spring in the back that helps stabilize occupants during super aggressive off-road driving. Well, this one doesn't get it, but I get it though, because this is made to carry people more so. And one advantage of not having them is it gives you more room. Those seats actually take a lot of room up while minimizing your passenger room. And my last kind of drawback is that this powertrain in this TRD Pro is not the most quiet powertrain by any means. And so when you're driving it in just regular automatic, because you can shift it into a manual mode where you can shift yourself, but just in regular automatic, it'll default to try to get to the highest gear very quickly. So you get a really low frequency drone type of thing. You can actually just go in manual and just select it yourself, but yeah, it's a little bit on the loud kind of droney side. So this new generation 4Runner really brings this iconic SUV into the modern era while keeping the rugged capability that made it famous in the first place. But I'm curious, what do you think? Would you go for this TRD Pro or the Trail Hunter, or maybe even save a whole bunch of money and go for that TRD Off-Road Premium? You're not gonna get the hybrid or this color, but you're gonna save a lot of green in your pocket, and it's very, very capable as well. So anyways, hope to see you on the next everyday review. Ciao.